Hello everyone, my name is Miracle Aurora Panto with NIM 2114201077, class A3 Nursing Semester 2. In this video, to fulfill the final semester exam for the English course 2 assignment with the powerful lecturer Silvana Lahama, SS M. Hum. In this video, I will explain a little about malaria. Malaria is a disease caused by parasite. Malaria is spread through the bite of a mosquito that is already infected with the parasite. Malaria can even be deadly if not treated properly. Malaria infection can occur with just mosquito bite. Malaria is rarely transmitted directly from one person to another. An example of this disease transmission condition is if there is contact with the patient blood of the fetus can be infected because it is infection from the mother's blood. Malaria sufferers in Indonesia. In Indonesia, there are about 400,000 positive cases of malaria everywhere. Of all cases that occurred, 4,000 cases expression, complication, or even led to death. About 1 in 4 cases of malaria that occur in children. Most cases of malaria occur in the eastern part of Indonesia, especially in the areas of Sulawesi, Nusa Tenggara, Maluku, and Papua. Symptoms that appear due to malaria. Symptoms of malaria will usually appear between 1 to 2 weeks after the body is infected. In some rare cases, symptoms appear a year after the mosquito's bite occurs. Symptoms of malaria that usually occur are the appearance of fever, sweating, chills, vomiting, headache, diarrhea, and muscle aches. If you are already experiencing symptoms of malaria, immediately see a doctor so that a diagnosis and treatment can be carried out as soon as possible. Malaria can be diagnosed easily with a simple blood test. Malaria treatment. Complete recovery is possible if malaria is treated properly. This process is carried out immediately after the diagnosis of malaria is known. The anti-malarial drug given depends on the type of parasite that cause malaria in the safety of the patient symptoms. Are you pregnant? Some types of malaria are sometimes resistant to certain drugs. For example, the anti-malaria drug chlorine has been shown to be efficient in treating malaria cases in Indonesia because the type of parasite in Indonesia has become anti-malarial drugs in pregnant women. The risk of severe cases of malaria will increase in patients who are pregnant. The baby and the mother can have serious complications. Some anti-malaria drugs and not suitable for pregnant women because of the potential side effects for both the mother and the baby. To know more about the types of drugs and their side effects, check with your obstetrician and the doctor who treats your malaria. They will explain which drugs can and cannot be taken during pregnancy. Malaria prevention. Avoiding yourself so as not to be bitten by mosquitoes is the most important way to avoid contracting malaria. Some of the ways then can be done are: 1. As exercise, make sure needs to cover with hand. 2. Using closes the blankets that can cover the skin of the body. 3. Clean the bath and sprinkle a bath powder to eradicate mosquito larvae. 4. Removing or closing puddles of water that have the potential to become a breeding ground for mosquito larvae. 5. As in cleanliness, the most effective lotion are those consisting of dirt and fluids. 6. Osmosis and chlorine spray regularly. Thank you so much, and thank you for the results of my work. If anyone wants to continue their study to collect, let's join us at the Indonesian Development University Manado.